Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P1844 indicates an issue with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor circuit, specifically concerning its forward rotation range and performance. In vehicles such as the Honda Accord 2023 and newer, this code is triggered when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a mismatch between the expected voltage levels from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor signals and the actual driving conditions. The CVT, or continuously variable transmission, utilizes these signals to ensure smooth operation and efficient power transfer from the engine to the wheels. If the detected voltage levels do not align with driving conditions, the TCM flags the issue, stores the code, and may affect vehicle performance. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor plays a critical role in determining the rotation speed of the pulleys in the CVT system, which is essential for optimal vehicle acceleration and efficiency. Understanding this error code is essential for accurate diagnostics and effective repairs. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor is positioned on the CVT unit, playing a pivotal role in measuring the rotational speed of the drive pulley. This sensor sends voltage signals to the Transmission Control Module, TCM, which interprets these signals to manage the drivetrain's performance. The TCM is crucial for communication between the engine and the transmission, influencing gear shifts and power delivery. When the sensor detects improper readings, such as unexpected voltage levels, the TCM responds by storing DTC P1844. This may result from sensor failure or communication errors within the circuit. Understanding the physical layout and signal transmission pathway is essential for effectively diagnosing and resolving this issue. The malfunctioning CVT drive pulley speed sensor is a primary cause of DTC P1844. When the sensor itself fails, it may send incorrect voltage levels to the TCM, leading to discrepancies in expected versus actual performance. Additionally, a faulty transmission control module, TCM, can misinterpret these signals, contributing to the issue. Wiring problems, such as frayed or corroded connections, can also hinder proper signal transmission between the sensor and the TCM. Each of these causes points to a critical aspect of the CVT system that requires careful inspection and thorough troubleshooting to restore proper function. Vehicles experiencing DTC P1844 may exhibit several noticeable symptoms. Erratic performance during acceleration is common, where the vehicle may hesitate or surge unexpectedly. Dashboard warning lights, particularly those related to transmission or engine performance, may illuminate, indicating a need for immediate attention. Increased fuel consumption can occur, as the CVT may not optimize engine power effectively without accurate sensor readings. Drivers might also experience unusual noises or vibrations that signal underlying issues within the transmission system. Recognizing these symptoms early can assist in prompt diagnosis and repair, preventing further vehicle damage. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P1844 involves raising the vehicle on a lift securely. It is essential to ensure that the vehicle is supported correctly to avoid any safety hazards during inspection. Additionally, allowing all four wheels to rotate freely is crucial for the subsequent testing phase. This step prepares the vehicle for comprehensive diagnostics, ensuring that the technician can safely assess the performance of the transmission system under proper conditions. Verify that the lift is stable and that all components are accessible, setting the foundation for effective troubleshooting. After securely raising the vehicle, the second troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and disabling the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system. The VSA may interfere with the testing process, so it is crucial to turn it off to obtain accurate readings. Once the engine is running, the technician should prepare for the road test, focusing on achieving the necessary speed and conditions to gather relevant data. An operational engine will allow the technician to monitor the performance of the CVT and the drive pulley speed sensor effectively, laying the groundwork for diagnosing potential issues. In the third step of troubleshooting DTC P1844, the technician should run the vehicle in drive mode while maintaining a speed of over 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour. It is essential to keep this speed for a minimum of 5 seconds to allow the transmission control module, TCM, to gather accurate input from the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. This test simulates regular driving conditions and enables observation of the sensor's output under dynamic conditions. Accurately performing this step is critical to determine if the system is functioning correctly or if diagnostics reveal further issues, such as abnormal readings. The final troubleshooting step involves checking the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the direction of the drive pulley rotation. Ideally, the HDS should display forward as the reading during the test. If any other value appears, it confirms that a failure has occurred within the system. This step is crucial for diagnosing the root cause of the discrepancy that triggered DTC P1844. By confirming the expected outputs against the actual readings, a technician can effectively determine whether the issue lies with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor itself or the TCM, facilitating targeted repairs. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P1844, it is vital to verify that the issues have been resolved. This involves confirming that all repairs address the previously identified problems and restoring normal function to the vehicle's transmission system. Clearing the DTC from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system is essential too, as it allows the technician to reset the system. Following this reset, a retest of the vehicle's operation should be conducted to ensure that no additional issues arise and that the vehicle performs optimally. Successful completion of this verification step signifies that the troubleshooting process has been effective. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding issues related to DTC P1844 in the future. Regular checks of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor can help identify early signs of wear or malfunction, allowing for timely intervention. Inspecting wiring connections routinely ensures that any fraying or corrosion can be addressed before it impacts performance. Additionally, maintaining appropriate transmission fluid levels is essential, as insufficient or contaminated fluid can lead to sensor errors or TCM malfunctions. By implementing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering issues related to the CVT system, preserving vehicle function and enhancing longevity. DTC P1844 serves as an important alert regarding potential issues with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and its associated circuit. Understanding the root causes, associated symptoms, and effective troubleshooting steps can help technicians resolve these issues efficiently. Prompt attention to symptoms such as erratic vehicle performance and warning lights is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle operation. Moreover, implementing a robust maintenance schedule is key in preventing future occurrences of DTC P1844. By being proactive, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord 2023 Plus operates smoothly, maximizing performance and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.